So, guys, till now we covered four of proof, and today we are going to cover map and set in this class. So, let's discuss about this map. Okay, and map is a built-in object in JavaScript that hold key value pairs. Means we earlier check this. Means object is also you can say properties, but if you want to have a you can say this map which also come with the you can say this, it's a inbuilt and it's come with a key value pair. Okay, map remember the original inserted order of the keys and provide better performance. Remember the original inserted order of the keys and better performance for frequency addition and removal compared to plain object. So we have this object as well, and why we need to use this map. So here for this reason, because remember the original insertion order of the keys and provide better performance, because it will you can say remember the insertion order in which manner or you can say these key and value pairs are inserted. It will remember this. That's why you are able to see this is in a order form. Okay, and why we need to use this over object, because in a object if we have a you can say frequently operation of add or remove, you can say item from map, or you can think of if you need to remove if you need to remove property of the object and add new property on the fly or dynamically, it's a heavy, or if it's a heavy operation for that object. But in map it's easy, and it will give us a means best way or improved way to do this, and it's best for this. So this is a use case. Means when you someone ask or you need to take a decision, what I need to use, I need to go with the object or I need to go with the this map. Then based on this operation like addition or removal operation is there, then the best choice is map. Okay, keys can be any data type. Right now you are able to see these keys can be any data type. There is no limitation. Okay, it's a string, it's a number, or it's a boolean value. Okay, so it can be any, means it can be object, anything. Maintain insertion order has size property. My map has a size, so that you can with the help of that property you can understand means what is the size of this. Okay, and it will work for this for each, for of loop, and for each. Okay, so it will work. Okay, so how to create a map? You need to create a, because this is a object, inbuilt object, and to create a instance of the object you need to use new keyword and your this this name of the you can say map constructor. Okay, and after that it will give you object, and there is a method called set which will give you a flexibility to set the key and values. Okay, and we are doing this, and after that we are printing. Guys, any question or concern regarding what is the means advantage of map, why we will use over this object, and how to create, and what are the properties of the map, like size is there, and it will means remember the insertion order. Okay, and these things. Any question or concern, guys? If no, then let's move forward. So right now, if you want to insert the value in a map, you can do this way. And if you want to, you can say get the value from map. Then we have a get method and you need to pass the key there. Okay, based on that, you will get the value of that particular item of map. Okay, so I have a question for you guys. Right now, I am able to see this two value. If I want to print the age as well, what I need to do here? How can I print the value of age? Can anyone tell?
Console.log map.get age.
Okay. Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, now could you, anyone can help me to add some more items with a different data type? Okay, and show that as well. Can anyone? Right now there are 3 items. Could you add 2, 3 more items there and help me to print? Just instruct me, I will do that. Anyone? Amrit, Ekta, Kapil.
You want to print in a array?
No. Right now there are 3 values of map. Am I right?
Mhm.
I want to add 3 more values and print it here.
Okay, so map.set define the value map.set
Okay.
bracket and double colon email.
Okay. Email. I want different data type because we
Different,
learn different data type. Am I right?
acha,
Means
different data type.
keys are different. You can say, and value should be also different if possible for you. Makes sense. Because in this manner, we will cover whatever we learn earlier. Am I right?
Mhm.
Like these. I want to these things, whatever we learn earlier. Okay.
So, okay,
You understand my point,
yes, sir.
guys? Okay, no worries. This is a, you can say, you will think, and when you means when we cover this, then you need to answer of this. Okay,
Yes, sir.
help me to do that. Okay. So if we need to check something is already exist or not, am I right? Means let's say we don't know if there is a, you can say, dynamically thing, and we don't know that keys exist there or not, because if it's there, it will override. Make sense? And we don't want. Make sense? So what we need to do, we require a way with the help of that we can, you can say, check means this key is exist or not. Make sense? In our
Okay.
map.
Yes, sir.
So with the help of has method, this is a has, like like has means that particular map have that key or not. So with the help of has, we can check that. Make sense? And here you need to pass the key name. Okay. So here you need to tell me, means give me a 2 more example where this one is true and another one is false in a map, in this map. Make sense? Because we are referring this map. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
You think, and in the last, when we're done with this, then you need to answer me. Okay. And right now we covered how to set, how to get, and how to check existing. And if you want to remove, then we have a delete method Based on a key, you can remove as well. Okay. And as we discussed, we have a size property. So this is a size property of our map. Any question or concern, guys, till now?
No, sir.
Okay. So till now, what we covered, we will cover means create a properties means with a set method. Means right now, if you check, if you need to add, you can say 3 properties, then you need to write this 3 times. If means let's say there is a possibility we have 10 properties, 20 properties, 30 properties. Am I right?
Yes,
There
sir.
is a chance, makes sense. Or there is
Yes,
a
sir.
nested as well. So it's a tedious task. Means let's say I want to create same map. Okay. Uh, with you can say 1 or 2 lines. How can I do that? You can do this way. Okay. For that, you can pass a array of, you can say, item, map item. Make sense? So this is a syntax. This is, represent our array. And this is a 1 item. This is a 2nd item. And this is a 3rd item. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we learn 2 way with the help of set method and with the help of this array notation. Okay. Initialize the map with entries. Means we are entering with the entries, we are creating a map. Okay. We learn 2 way. Am I right? With the empty constructor and passing, you can say this entries in a constructor, map constructor. Though both are constructors. Make sense? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Map key can be object. Okay. So right now, if you see, these are the means I gave you an example. I asked some question means, hey, could you add some keys and values here? Am I right? So it's informing how you can use object. Make sense? How you can use object as a key of map. Make sense? So right now you are able to see we created one object where the properties ID and value of that property is 1. And after that we will create a map, and inside map we will set that object as a key and its value. Makes sense? To get that, we just need to pass the object and we are able to print the value. Make sense?
Yes.
So if it makes sense for you, then be ready for another some question, because there is some means why we need, in which case, this is a question for you guys, in which case you will use this kind of scenario, or use this way, means you will when you will think you require this object as a key. Makes sense? You need to think and answer me. Okay. And iterating over a map with the help of for loop, and this you can do very easily, because we done this earlier with the for loop. We done this in a chapter of for of loop as well. So it will give a value of item or entry. Okay. It will give us a one entry, and based on that you can print the key and value both. Okay. And with the help of forEach, you can do that as well. So you can here, you will get a, you can say, in this object you will get two, one, this is a key and this is a value. Okay. So so this is, any question or concern till now, guys?
No, sir.
So as we learned earlier, means this, if you want to get a, you can say, keys of map, then you can use a keys method. If you want to both keys and this, you need to use entries method. If you want to use the only value, means concerned about value, then you go with the values method. Okay. Okay, guys.
Yes, sir.
So any question or concern? Any question or concern? If no, just answer me.
No, sir.
Sir, can
Uh,
we put a dictionary value using the map set property
yes,
in map?
yes. That's why I gave you a assignment or require your suggestion so that you can try. Whatever you are thinking, just try here. Make sense?
Like map.set. So we provide the name of variable like thing.
Like
Things are THINGS. Thing THING. Then we provide the value in curly brackets. Yes, multiple values.
you can do that.
Okay.
There is no issues. Okay. Even you can do vice versa as well. Let's say you can do this as well. You need to create a one object of this, am I right? And you can utilize as a key as well. And value is thing. Okay.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Are you able to see the output?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good.
Good.
Good, Amrit. I want this kind of means means your participation in this class. Okay. Okay. Let me know what you think when we require this kind of when we will use this scenario in our. Could you give me one example where you can think of you need to take a object as a key and value also as a key, or a value of entry is also a object? Could you think any use case or anything? Jitinder, I am expecting the answer from your side because you have experience in a PHP. And in PHP means, let's say you have a multiple entities, am I right, in a database. In
Yes.
terms of database, we have a multiple entities. And you can think of, means, could you tell me any use case where one entity, based on a one entity, okay, you need to refer another entity, which is a common use case. Am I right? Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
So could you give me one example where you will use one object as a key and another object as a value in a real scenario? No?
Hmm.
No. Let's say I have one use case, hypothetical use case. I have one student, and based on this, some, you can say, student properties. Make sense? So I need to, you can say, I need to represent on a UI student with some properties, properties of the student, as well as you can say in a value I need to represent uh, student marks. Make sense? Make sense or not?
Okay.
In that case, we can create a one, you can say map entry, or means based on a dynamic, we can create a map entries and utilize that. Make sense or not?
Okay.
Or let's say we will modify this. This is a student, and let's say there is a, you can say, there is a marks, okay, and mark is a, you can say, another map, which is also possible. Am I right? Math, math, new map. We require one more. Okay, and let's say math and marks is 20, 20 out of 25, not you can say 100. Let's say science. Makes sense. So in this manner, this is beneficial for us. Am I right? Hope it makes sense for you guys. Okay. So, and okay. Okay. So I ask one question here as well, like means this is a, you can say, map, and we are creating this, so we get an answer of that, and for loop. Okay, or these are key and these are the summary. When you are not use map, one keys are not just string. When you require multiple keys, type can be any data type, then you go with the map. And maintains insertion order, support object function keys. Okay, this keys from keys, entries, and this values also applicable for object, so it will work here as well. Provide utilities like set, get, delete, has, clear. If you want to clear the map, then you can go with the clear, and can be directed over for of and for each, suitable for lookup and frequently key value updates. Okay, guys, any question or concern? No? Okay. So we next topic what we need to cover is a set. Okay. So set is similar to map. Set is similar to map, and but there is some advantages of set which you need to understand, so that you can take a decision when you need to use set and when you need to use map. Okay. Set is built-in object in JavaScript that store unique values of any type, whether of any type, whether primitive value or object references. Unique value, mind my words, it's a unique value. Okay. Key is always unique in map and set, but map can store duplicate values. But this is a guarantee with the set. It will not use duplicate value. Only one value should be exist. Another value not be exist for a same kind or same value. Value set may be only occur once. It is a unique in the set collection. Okay. Chitendra, what do you understand from this? What is the difference between map and set?
So, in set, we can store only the unique value of the any data type.
No. Like means unique value, it will keep the unique value by itself. Makes sense?
Yeah.
Means when means you want that's only one value exist for that particular collection. Inside a particular collection, you require value uniqueness. Then you go with the set.
Yes.
Make sense?
Yes.
This is a difference. And apart from that, we will discuss another differences as well. Automatically remove duplicate values. Makes sense. If there is a value, then it will remove. Makes sense.
Okay.
Duplicate.
Okay.
Let's say this is a 2, 1, 1 is adding here, 1 is adding here. So it's a duplicate. It will remove or ignore. Makes sense. Makes sense. So
Yes.
you will get this. Okay, maintain insertion order like map. It will also maintain the insertion order and support this forOOf and forEach. Can store any type string number object. Same thing applicable here, only one difference. Okay.
Okay.
So initialization is same like here. You are using this means in a map we are using this key value pair, but here we are using a values only, not keys. Makes sense?
Okay.
It will contain keys. Okay. It will not contain key value pair. Okay. This is a difference between set. Set is a you can say it contain unique value only. Either it can be anything. Value can be anything. Makes sense?
Okay.
Or and it will not means contain key and values. So here you can see we will set this is a way, and in a map we'll use you can say set method, but here we are using this add method. Okay. And if you want to use more values, add a more value, this is another constructor which will contain array of the values. Make sense?
Okay.
And the same method is there for check the if some values exist in you can say set or not, you can do this way. Okay. And based on a value you can delete your map item as well, like this. Any question or concern regarding this?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. And iteration, I think you guys already know, or I need to explain this. Tell me. It's a for of loop and for each. And right now means it can be, the value can be anything in a set, but don't need to be unique. Okay.
Okay.
So, but here you need to understand to object a reference unique. If you understand this, for you guys, these values are same. Am I right? Am I right? These two objects are same. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Name is different, but value or structure of your this is same. Am I right? But here it's giving us two size. Why? Anyone can try to attempt this question. Why it's giving a two size? Because is this example is wrong and it's breaching our real fundamental of basic concept of set, or why it's happening? Because if you create any variable, then what happened under the hood? You can say variable have a you can say value which is a okay, and reference as well. Am I right? So even these values are here, but for set these are the values. Am I right? These objects are value. Am I right? And their memory address is different. Make sense or not?
Yes, sir.
That's why you are able to see these two size here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And let's say there is a one case and you are require only unique value from an array. Makes sense? Then you can do this way. You can create a new array, and what is this operator called? Anyone? Kapil? Which
This is this operator, sir.
what is the name of this operator and what it do? Anyone can Ekta, or you can say Kapil, Jitendra, anyone can answer this?
So rest operator. Rest and separate operators.
Yes, this is a here, but what is doing here? It's working as a rest or it's a separate?
Sir, as a rest.
Here,
Mm, yes, sir. I think so.
no, it's spreading because it's creating a new set and separating, and based on that, it will filling the item inside a unique array. Make sense?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
So, okay. So, could you? This is an example of you can say spread. Am I right? Could you give me anyone can give me an example of this rest operator? How can I use this as a rest operator? Any with any example? Can anyone tell?
So to access all the values that we have in our variable.
No. Could you give me an example or help me to write a one code for showing this is a rest operator? This is a use of rest operator. Where you will use rest operator? Okay, no worries. For rest operator you used, let's say you have one function, okay, and that function is a you can say you don't know how much you can say value means it need to proceed, or you can say rest operator testing operator example. So this is a you can say rest operator. With the help of that, you don't know means how many values user can pass. There is a user, you can say you are giving a flexibility to the user. He or she can pass n number of parameter. Makes sense. And you can based on that you are creating a set, or you can use the value of the each and every, you can say, args item. Based on that, this array of arguments, okay, and like array you can print with the help of index. Let me use this console.log console. Okay, rest operator example. Let's say we will pass these values, or you can say pass n number of values. Okay, it's totally up to you. Okay, so, and if you pass anything, there is no limitation. Comma separated, you can pass anything. Let's say ASD. I pass different value, and in a set it will remove automatically. DAFD. Could you tell me now how my set will created? Because when it's print, what it will print if I pass these kind of values? Can anyone answer? Kapil, what is the output of your set? What is the output?
1
1. Okay, good.
ASD.
Order insertion order is matter, in which means you insert entries in that order, you will get a output. Am I right? So based on that, keep this thing, that thing in mind. Just answer. Okay.
Yeah.
Just answer.
Just argument values of 1 unique argument set R 1 value printable duplicate value name 2 3 4 ASD 1 2 3 4
Okay.
ASD DFD DAFSD.
Okay. Yes. Let me run. Set. Okay. And there is my output for this 1 2 3 4. Okay, this is output of this. Okay. And okay, so, and this is my output array of argument 1 set 3 unique value 1 to 3. This is the output of this. Okay, and the rest example set 3 0. Just a minute, let me differentiate this. Console.log and output of function, output of rest operator example. Let me clear this and rerun this. This is output. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is a REST operator, and this is a set summary. Guys, any question or concern?
No, sir.
Okay, then I have a question for you, and I want you guys attempt this question and answer with your best, whatever you memorize or whatever you learn. Based on that, you will need to, you can say, do that. Okay. So just guide me. Okay. Just guide me how to create a map. Let's say give a doubts, or you can say assignment, live assignment, live test, live evaluation, live evaluation dot js. Okay. So you start from, you can say, if someone is means one is means do this thing. Okay. And another one is means in a last tell means is there any problem what he did, or there is no problem, everything. Okay. So from you guys, one will help me to revise or do a practical of map and set. Map practice. Okay. Whatever we learn, how to create a map. Okay. And another person, you divide yourself in a two teams. One is, you can say, just tell me who is a member of which team. Okay, we will divide you four guys into a team. One is A team, another one is B team. Okay, and we will see means who will win. Okay, so set dot map dot js and okay, set practice. Okay, dot js. So what is task? Task mean you map, who will select that map. They need to do this thing. Create a map. Different ways to create a map. Okay. Check existing value. Okay. Clear a map. Delete entry from a map. Okay. Iterator over a map. Check the size. Check the size of a map. Okay, let me know means which one we need to divide you guys in a two teams. Ekta, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So just divide. You will lead one team, and Chitendra will lead another team. Just you will select one person. Means Amrit, you want to go with Amrit, or you want to take Kapil? Hello, Ekta.
Yes, sir.
Which teammate you prefer, Kapil or Amrit?
Sir, anyone, both.
You just select so that we can means I will assign map, or and tell me the subject as well. You guys go with the map or set, and means whatever is left, Chatindra and team will take that. Okay. So your team name is A and Chatindra team name is B. So you just let me know means which topic and which person.
Sir, I'll take up Kapil के हिसाब से बात है.
Okay. Okay, Kapil, you guys need to explain the map and help me to means create a map and stuff. I will follow your instruction and create. Okay, end of the thing, we will do that. Means we will evaluate. Okay. Okay. Okay, guide me. How can I write a map? Okay, just guide me. Kapil and Ekta, just guide me. How can I create a map? Or I can understand you are not able in a shape, you can guide me. Can I understand this? Or you wanna try or guide me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Means what I understand. You are not able you not understand anything. That's why you are not able to guide me for this or what? What I understand from.
No, sir. You can type const my map
Okay, my map.
equals to new map,
Okay.
and after that in second line my map dot set,
My map dot set. Okay.
and then sir value in this
What value?
anything like semi colon name. What we call that? Double inverted commas.
Okay.
And inside this you can write name
Okay.
and comma age like 23.
Okay.
And after this in next line you can type console.log
Okay. Okay.
Sir, we have to specify the value first.
Okay. Just guide me. Which thing I need to change, I will change. Okay.
My
Okay. First, you need to answer this question. Okay. After that, this. After that, this. And after that, this. And this as well. And this is your last question. Okay. So you need to answer me of this first. You guys answer me of this first. Then this. Then this. This. If you don't know any answer and you are facing problem, just let me know. I will say no. Not ready. Okay, Ekta and Kapil, answer me. Whatever you are not know, just let me know. We can say no. You are not. You don't know the answer. and we will move forward. You have only 4 minutes with you, and in this 4 minutes you are able to answer, that's fine. Otherwise, you are disqualified, and now three more minutes to go. Wave 1, wave 2. Just into you guys. I have something with me. Clear my balance. Delete by key. Borrow and forEach. Okay. Size property. Okay, guys, I think you don't want to try, and please listen carefully and contribute in the last. Okay. I'm not expecting from you guys, you will not do anything. Just do one thing and after that stop. I require effort from your side. At least you will try. Okay, without any fear. Kapil, Ekta. Because if you are not attempt, you are lost already. You are lost. Okay. Why you are not trying to get? Maybe you will something learn new, or I need to check whatever I am teaching. You are getting those things or not. So 1 minute is go, and okay, Chatindra or Amrit, could you answer this map one?
Okay. And add the one value again. My map dot set
My map. Okay.
dot set
Dot set.
colon. Sorry, bracket.
Just a minute, there's a problem. Okay, bracket.
Suppose 41
41. Okay.
comma. My name is Chitwell.
My name.
This is a different data type, right?
Yes.
Now we need to be set. So console dot.
Okay, set.
No, we need to print. So console dot.
Okay.
Console dot log.
Console.log.
My map dot set.
My map dot set. Why you are using this set here inside console? Any specific reason? What is the purpose? What you want to do here? You need to print the values.
Right.
Then you need to do this only. Okay. Okay. What is the another way? Amrit.
Yes, sir.
What is the another way? Way to?
Check the value distance of the
No.
values.
Create a map.
So we can directly apply all these value that we use the using the setup method in
Could
the
you help me? Could you help me to create?
okay, sir. Create constant.
Okay. Constant. Okay.
My
Let's
map
say
one.
my
map one
map 1. Okay.
equal to
Oh, equal to. Okay.
new,
map. Yes.
yeah. So as we put all the values in a set, we can put this into in same manner like name, age in a string form.
Could you guide me basic syntax with a
Curly,
one value? Just show me one value.
curly brackets.
Okay.
Uh, uh, put the two values names, comma age, name in string form. Then we can separate all the values using comma.
How? Here I need to apply comma.
No. Give a space. Go on the next space. Yeah. Put a comma, and then again a comma. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So now use again round brackets.
Okay. Jitendra, any thing we need to do here or any modification, Ekta, Kapil, you think of, or this is a fine? Kapil, oh, sorry. Jitendra, first question from you. Is this fine or something you need something need to be changed?
No, sir, it is okay.
This is not okay.
New
Okay.
map is equal to define the array. Sorry, but value.
This is
Name.
not okay. Something is missing. Okay. You just try to find the answer. Okay, go ahead with this. Second. How can we can check? Okay. You know the answer, Amrit or Jitendra, or not?
So of what? Of finding the values that we have in our array.
Not array map.
Then map. So we can use hash method to check whether we have a variable or not.
So dot log. And what it will return?
It will turn Boolean value, true or
Oh.
false.
Okay. Name. Okay. Okay. And what about this? How you can clear?
We can use clear.
What it will do?
It delete a specific value. We can provide it key or clear all the map.
Okay. And how it will work? You know? Jitendra, you know?
Yes, sir. My map dot delete.
Map dot delete. Okay.
Delete the value, existing value. Suppose name.
What I need to type? How I need to type? Could you guide me? Name, simply key name.
Simply key name.
Whatever data type is it, based on that, you need to give a key. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And how to iterate?
So the use of forEach. Then
How?
forEach, sir. forEach, put forEach.
How will write? How? What I need to write? From where I need to start to use a forEach? Where you will apply forEach? Could you guide me? You need to apply forEach on a map itself. Okay. You can say key and value. Okay.
Okay. Yes, yes.
Here you can print. Maybe there is some you can say this problem, syntax problem, because we are manually doing this thing. Okay. But this is a way. Okay. And what about for of? How you will write for of? You remember how you will need to write a for of for this? Or no? So console
For the
dot log for of console dot log for of is
Name of the map,
map and dot
dot
size.
size.
Dot size. That's it. Okay. Okay, guys. Thanks. Let's check this, and after that, we are good to go. Way 1, way 2. Okay, and okay, this should be a get. Okay,
yes, sir.
and because we are clearing this map, this will not work because that time we don't have a value. Am I right? So let's use this and print the map. Console dot log my map. Okay, and we need to do this as well because clear will clear everything. Okay, so clear, and after clear, let's check the size of map. Okay, so there is a problem with this value is not a entry. Okay, as I told you, there is a problem with this. When you need to pass, then you need to pass as a array. Make sense?
Okay, sir.
This thing I told you, this is a problem. Okay, and with forEach, I think so this is not a way to write a forEach. This is a way to, you can
Console
say,
screen,
right.
sir.
Yes, console is also console dot log, and let's say key and value. Okay. So forEach, my map forEach. Okay, there is, I think so there is syntax. My map dot forEach. E should be capital. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so you are able to see.
Yes.
Okay, and after clearing, it's a 0. And my name Chitendra, and this is a, you can say, things. Okay, same practice you can do with the map. Okay, guys,
Set.
sorry. Okay.
Yes.
But there is a catch. You need to try both map and set. Okay, we are done for today class, guys.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.